Rashford is injured. Rashford is injured. Rashford is rascal injured. Welcome everybody. Welcome back to the channel, fam. This is Rome, the fourth official. You are watching the fourth official. I just want to say thank you guys for subscribing. We got to 700, which is a milestone for the fourth official. I'm telling you right now, 700 milestone. But let's get to 1,000. So make sure you drop a like on the video. Subscribe right down there for brand new. Let's spread the word. Let's spread the knowledge. Let's spread the good word. But anyway, thank you guys so much for subscribing and liking the videos. Continue doing so. When you meet someone new and I'm like football, I'm like talking about Manchester United, talking about this big six, everything complete about Manchester United and about football in general, have them subscribe to the YouTube. Bless yourself. Where do we begin? Where do we begin? Marcus Rashford is not injured. It's a massive, massive doubt for tomorrow's games against Wolves. Mind you, Marcus Rashford was the only goal scorer, and that was a game that he was left out of the team because of disciplinary issues. No, Marcus Rashford not starting. Probably won't even be at the game because of his injury. Mind you, it's coming at a time where Manchester United has been playing like shit for the past few games. Now they have a week rest, 2 days off earlier in the week. So I'm hoping that we're going to see a different to Manchester United, different ideas, new ideas, same ideas, whatever, but come different, fresh, ready for win this game because we need 3 more wins. 3 more wins to secure top 4. I don't care about who they're behind us. I don't care about who they're in front of us. I'm talking about Manchester United. Finish the season on a strong, finishing top 4 so we can build on that to move on to next season. Varane back, his experience will be critical in the last 3 or 4 games. I want him to be back fully fit, ready to go. He can be on the bench tomorrow, probably bring him on in 20 minutes just to get his legs ready. But we need him back and ready to go because the FA Cup is coming up and the FA Cup without Martinez. Well, the last time we beat Manchester City was with Varane and Luke Shaw. I don't know what's going to happen in the next game, especially with Manchester City playing the way they are. It's going to be tough, but we need everyone fit and ready. Everyone fit and ready to blood clot go. And a flip note, Sunday is going to be my first watch-along, live female football watch-along. The FA Cup final against Chelsea is going to be so sweet. So make sure you stay tuned to that one. FA Cup watch-along. Manchester United's female team versus Chelsea female team is going to be a blast. I don't know how we are going to play. I don't know if we're going to win. I know Chelsea is very good. I know Manchester United is also very good. I know Manchester United is bleeding out of their skin this year. But Chelsea is the only team we haven't beat in the WSL so far. We need to beat them, bumbleclad. We need to beat them. We need to beat them. We're going to be at Wembley. I'm pretty sure the Manchester United fans will be singing their hearts out. So yeah, remember, Sunday, I think a 9:30 game start. I'll be here watching the game on my TV, doing a watch along, talking about the game. Hopefully we can pull off a 2-love, 3-love and get the trophy. Lift that trophy first, major trophy in Manchester United history, female football. Let's do it. And so before we end the day, let's talk a little bit about the Manchester United Academy. All of the players that went out on loan. I don't want to talk about the players. I want to talk about 2 players specifically. One, Alvaro Fernandez, the left back or left winger that played for Preston North End. This man right here came out last year, Young Player of the Year for the Academy. This year, Young Player of the Year again, this time for Preston North End. This man stepped up in the Championship and took over Preston North End. He became the young player of the year, and he's going to. I am hoping against hope that he can push himself to Manchester United starting lineup and start playing regularly. Why? Manchester United don't do well with young players coming through the starting lineup. If you don't break out in the first few months that Mason Greenwood did, like Rashford did when he took his chance in the Europa League, it's going to be tough. And the last person I saw breakthrough after a couple of loan spells, just Lingard. That was it. Nobody else come through after a couple of loan spells. So I'm hoping that him can, after this loan spell, he can come and break through to the first team and start playing regular football. Alvaro Fernandez will go for that name next season. And the next person I want to talk about, remember the name. You remember the name. Amad Diallo. Young player of the season. Playing down at Sunderland. Making wave after wave. Just became the team of the season. Young player of the year. Team of the season. Amad Diallo. Remember the name, because he should and will be pushing towards the starting lineup next year for Manchester United. However, you know what James Garner did last year after he got promotion to the Premier League with Nottingham Forest? They sold him for 15 mil. And the man were playing at the final to get him into to get promoted. Gibbs White or whatever him. Went to Nottingham Forest for 40. I don't even want to talk about it. Do not want to talk about it. Just remember, James Garner didn't make it through to Manchester United's first team. But Amad Diallo, you have to push through. We have to give him the faith. We have to support him 100%. Let's do this, fam. Let's do this. The left side is just weak. Don't have another left footer. All they have is Anthony. We need another left footer. And that left footer is Amad Diallo. You remember me tell that. Amad fucking Diallo. So people, thank you guys again for the 700 subscribers. We're still hoping and wishing for more. So remember, drop a like on the video. Subscribe right down there for brand new. Spread it to your friends and your families. Bless yourself. Bless up others. Manaz.